Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the auto volume option in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first we need to scroll to the left where all our options are, and here we have to go to settings. Now all settings, and here we have to scroll down to sound. Now we have to scroll to the expert settings, and here we have the option called auto volume. We can enable this option and then yes. And what it does, it automatically adjusts our volume level to the surroundings to protect our hearing. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.